Hello everyone, today I am drawing Mike Wheeler from Stranger Things using just a pencil. I began with a gentle sketch to outline the face. I used very light strokes so I could erase easily if necessary. Now I'm refining the features. I'm shaping the eyes and adjusting the face structure to match Mike Wheeler's look. Time to add shading. This is where the drawing starts to come alive. I begin with light shadows, building up layers gradually instead of going too dark too fast. Blending is important to make the skin look smooth and realistic. Working on the details, lips, and especially the hair. Hair can be tricky, so I draw it in sections instead of strand by strand. Adding contrast here really helps make the portrait. This is my favorite part because the character really starts to show emotion.
You pulled up in that midnight sedan, windows down, singing offhand. My hair in a knot, your shirt half tucked. We laughed at how nothing quite lined up. Stay a little longer on this old porch swing. Bare feet chip paint, let the crickets sing. You say it's late but your keys don't move. Porch light summer stuck here with you. Porch light summer stuck here with you.
Almost done in deepening the shadows and adding highlights for more depth. Little details like darker pupils and sharper edges make a huge difference. This is where everything comes together. And here's the final result. What do you think? Did I capture Mike Wheeler? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you at the next one.
You jacket on my chair, coffee getting cold. We talk like we got time, but the night runs bold. Eyes flicker like a code, only I can read. Every glitch inside me pulls me to your heat.